Hey there, fashion lovers! Welcome back to my channel, where we learn the correct pronunciation of tricky brand names and words. Today, we're tackling a big one from the world of luxury footwear, Christian Louboutin. Are you saying it right? This brand name is often mispronounced as Christian Louboutin or Christian Louboutin. Sound familiar? If you've been pronouncing it differently, don't worry. You're not alone. The correct way to say it is Christian Louboutin. Let's break it down. Christian is pronounced with a slight French flair as Christian, and Louboutin is pronounced Louboutin, with a soft nasal and at the end. Remember, the T in Louboutin is silent, and the French accent adds a stylish touch. Let's practice together. Christian Louboutin, Christian Louboutin. Say it slowly with me, then try speeding up until you get it perfect. Here's a fun fact. Christian Louboutin is famous for its iconic red-soled shoes, which were inspired by nail polish. The signature red bottoms have become a global symbol of luxury and style. Now that you've mastered the pronunciation, go ahead and impress your friends by saying, Christian Louboutin is like a true fashionista. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe for more pronunciation tips. And let me know in the comments, what's your dream pair of Louboutins? See you in the next video.